Hi, everyone. I want to talk to you about understanding your worth. Welcome to Words of Wisdom. If you're new here, welcome to the family. You are appreciated and valued. And to all my returning subscribers and those who consistently pour your energy into this community, thank you, truly. Your love, loyalty, and presence, that's the heartbeat of this space. Without you, this glow, this warmth we've created together, it wouldn't be possible. So for that, I am truly grateful. Now, today's message is deep. It's honest, it's healing. It's the kind of message that many of you have been silently asking the universe for. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, allow your mind to settle. This is your time. Understanding your worth. Sometimes we break our own hearts by believing we matter more to others simply because they matter so much to us, and that hurts deeply. But the truth is this: people show how they feel through their actions, not their words, not their promises, actions. When someone cares, they show up, they check in, they choose you consistently and without excuses. When someone doesn't care, their absence speaks louder than any explanation could. And this is why I don't chase attention. I value connection. If I'm in your life, it's on purpose. I give my energy with intention, not out of habit. When I check in, it's because I care, not because I'm obligated. My words, my silence, my time, they come from honesty. Take a moment right now to think about how much of yourself you've given to people who only gave you pieces of themselves. And understand, that mismatch was never your fault. Loyalty cannot be forced. Life has taught me a lot, but one of the most eye-opening lessons is this: loyalty can't be forced. You can give someone the best version of yourself, love them, support them, uplift them, and still they may never give you the same in return. Kindness does not guarantee respect. Love doesn't guarantee loyalty. And effort doesn't guarantee reciprocation. But here's the beautiful part. Every time someone fails to match your loyalty, you learn who doesn't deserve a seat at your table. And remember this: when someone is sneaky behind a good person's back, it will always catch up with them. You cannot betray a clean heart and expect life to reward you. What's done in the dark will come to the light. Karma may move slow, but it never misses. Never. The strength of a woman/man reborn. Strong women or men don't give up. We pause, we breathe, we gather ourselves, we cry if we need to. Then we get up again, louder, wiser, and stronger. I'm not giving up. Not now, not ever. I've fought too many silent battles that no one knows about. I've survived storms I never spoke of. And many of you listening right now, you've survived the same. Everyone's out here living for themselves. And you know what? Now it's your turn. Your turn to rise. Your turn to rebuild. Your turn to take up space without apologizing for it. You are done playing small. You are done shrinking so others can feel comfortable. You are fighting for peace, freedom, and happiness, and you will win because you've already survived everything that was meant to break you. Psychology, accountability, and closure. Psychology says that when someone knows they treated you wrong, they avoid you. It's called a guilty conscience. They don't have the maturity to apologize, so they remove themselves and pretend the situation doesn't exist. If you needed that confirmation, here it is. And as I always say, the universe will sit you down to humble you, then isolate you to build you. And when it's done, it gives you back everything tenfold. Not to reward you for suffering, but to prove your strength and remind you who you truly are. Emotional withdrawal is not coldness. People who distance themselves when they feel unwanted aren't cold. They're protecting themselves. Emotional withdrawal is a coping mechanism. It's disappearing into silence. It's shutting down before you get hurt again. And let me tell you, removing yourself from places where you didn't feel loved, appreciated, or respected is not weakness. It's wisdom. Naturally, I'm a giver. Many of you are too. But giving beyond your capacity to people who don't value you, that's not love. That is self-betrayal. Healing, perspective, and growth. I used to be sad about how someone treated me, until I remembered something powerful. My kindness is a reflection of me. Their behavior is a reflection of them. And the two were never meant to match. The happiest people I know are always improving themselves. The unhappy ones, they spend their time judging everyone else. You either get bitter or you get better. The choice is yours, and it always has been and always will be. Love, character, and emotional depth. Every man says he wants a woman with a big heart. But a big heart comes with big emotions. A passionate woman, a deep woman, someone who loves with intensity. And money? Money doesn't make a man valuable. Morals do. Integrity does. Loyalty does. The way he protects your name when you're not in the room, that's his value. Pure-hearted people don't seek revenge. When you hurt someone with a pure heart, they don't argue. They don't beg. They don't fight you to stay. They simply distance themselves. And once you lose a genuine soul, you do not get them back. Healing after a narcissist. For anyone who's loved a narcissist, the heartbreak has stages. The awakening, the collapse, the rage, the clarity, the emptiness, the rebirth, the peace. And the final stage is the most powerful. You stop looking for closure. You realize walking away was the closure. Happiness, faith, and trusting the universe. Happiness is found in three things: letting go of what was, enjoying what is, and believing in what will be. You may not be where you want to be yet, but look at where you came from. That's growth. That's strength. That is evolution. And remember, you don't need to worry about the next step. Put your trust in God, the universe, whoever you believe in. Do your best. Walk with faith and watch how the right people, the right opportunities, and the right blessings flow towards you effortlessly. Solitude, standards, and discernment. People think you keep to yourself because you're a loner, but you know the truth. You're protecting your peace. You're avoiding the fake, the dramatic, the chaotic. You've outgrown the circus. And if a woman has been single for years, do not assume she's broken. She's not hard to love. She's hard to fool. Her standards are sacred. She's not impressed by surface-level charm. She values depth, intelligence, consistency. If you can't meet her mind, you'll never reach her heart. Signs of a high vibration woman or man. People stare at you. Kids and animals love you. Strangers overshare with you. You shift the energy of any room. Toxic people get irritated by your authenticity. People envy you. You radiate without trying. High vibration isn't aesthetic. It's soul. Disrespect is information. Disrespect is not an insult. It's information. It reveals someone's character, their insecurity, their lack of emotional maturity. Don't take it personally. Take it as a sign to walk away. Being done is not anger. I'm not mad. I'm done. There's a difference. Done with situations that rob your peace. Done with people who don't love with the same depth. Done with inconsistency, excuses, and lack of effort. When someone abuses your presence, you remove it. Simple. Kindness, privacy, and presence. I applaud people who have been through hell yet still choose kindness. You will be rewarded, and your blessings are already making their way to you. Trust and believe. Never tell anyone your moves before they're done. Protect your dreams. Move in silence. Let the results speak. Whatever comes, let it come. Whatever stays, let it stay. Whatever goes, let it go. Life is short. Dance, laugh, love, create memories worth remembering. Ability is what you're capable of doing. Motivation determines what you do. Attitude determines how well you do it. Believe in yourself, truly, and nothing is impossible. Please repeat after me or write this down. Financial freedom is on the way to me right now. I no longer live in fear. I am open to receive abundance. I am a money magnet. The more I give, the more I receive. I constantly discover new sources of income. Everything I need is already within me. I'm going to end it right here, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. If this message touched your heart, if it resonated with your spirit, please like, share, and subscribe. I love you all. God bless.